7, cyber ethics means the rules and regulation when we are sending a message or when we are opening something in our PC, in our phone, which is online. That time we have to know that that is legal or illegal. The lots of things are not legally you can open. Illegally you can open that, but that is called a crime. That is IT, Internet Protocols. The protocols, which protocol we have to follow when we are doing anything on the internet. Okay, cybercrime is a law right now because lots of people have done a very bad things on the internet. They have made a video of any person and they have uploaded that on the internet, and that is very bad things. Nowadays they are blackmailing you, they are just sending a illegal message, nonsense messages, nonsense video chat they are doing. So that everything that are not legal, they are illegal. When you are sending a message to your friend or to your colleague, so always remember that message will be stored by the Indian government. Everything which you are sending related to the text messages, WhatsApp, email, or your Facebook, or your simple MMS, you understand the multimedia message? Okay, so everything which you are doing right now, everything will stored by a cybercrime department. They will store that, they will save that in their drives, in their drive means the data centers that have lots of space, the drives, they have connected the lots of drives in a single place, that is called the data center. बहुत सारा storage वहाँ पे होता है. Whenever you are sending something, means if you are sending a video, that will also store for a limited time. After that they will delete that. I think I have also listened, I don't know you have listened or not, before 3 or 6 months before, a news will pop up on a newspaper, on the internet also, the government is making the data centers in UP. Why they are creating the data centers? Facebook is creating their data centers, Twitter is creating their data centers, Amazon is creating the data centers. Now you think, why need the data centers in Amazon? Why do they need data centers in Facebook? Because what things you are storing. Google is providing you a 14.5 GB storage. You can store your file in that section. But one more thing, Google can access that files if we think that these files are not legal. So they can delete that file. They have a permission for that. So same thing in Indian government. I have remembered one thing which I told you. I have uploaded a video on a YouTube that is related to the coronavirus. And that video will delete. They have deleted that video within 6 hours. Only and only 6 hours. And they have sent me a mail. Please do not upload that types of videos again. Otherwise, we will delete your account also. So whatever we are doing on the internet, everything will be considered. Everything will be seen by the cybercrime. So for that, this chapter is related to for that. That is called the rules and regulations are called the net equities. The word which will be made by the internet. Internet means we will call that net. Okay, net is not working. Okay, what things are available on the net. Okay, in a common language you will just say the short name. Okay, so that is internet. So that word net is come from the internet, and etiquette is coming from the quitters. Okay, the quitters come from the etiquette. That means good manners. So when we are going to the internet, so that means we have to follow the good manners, good things. We don't do the negative things on the internet. If we will do that, so you will be captured by the police, the cybercrime, and you will go to the jail. Or maybe your instrument will be caught by the cybercrime, and they have banned you. You will not use the internet for 5 years or maybe 10 years. So that is the rules and regulations which we have to follow when we are doing anything on the internet. So when we are using, the first topic is use proper salutation and signature. Here is not a signature by doing by the pen. Signature means when you are going to sign in or you are doing anything. जैसे when somebody are just saying you, these are the rules and regulations, just sign that. Remember that, read the first, then go for the sign. So same thing in the internet. So when you open any website, so here that the agreement for signing. Agreement means you will have to be followed some rules which can be followed when you are hitting that website, when you are using that website, or whenever you are using that software. In that there are lots of rules. You can read that. They have related to that types of software. Don't do that. Don't do that. So lots of things are there. You only do that types of work, and you can download that things also. You can't use that types of file. Okay, if you will do that, that is illegal. Next one is include a subject line. Whenever you are doing anything on the internet, you know that what is the meaning of that. Okay, we don't know if we are going for the illegal websites, which Google also warn you when you are just using any browser. So browser that also warn you that is not legally used. If you are using that, it can be ban you, or it can be fine you, or it can be harmful for your PC or for yourself. So that time we have to understand that. So give a descriptive phrase in the subject line of the message header that conveys the purpose of the message. Means anything whatever you are doing on the internet, that can be a useful thing, or that can be understandable. Whenever you are sending a message, so let me tell you one thing. Whenever you are sending a email to any person, so in that case you will see, if you are not including the subject, right now this is not possible, but in before 1 or 2 years before, you will see if you will not include the subject, so that message will go to the junk files. Yes, because they don't have a particular, they have not a correct subject for that message. So same thing in that. So whenever you are doing anything, that can be understandable. समझने के लायक हो वो चीज जो आप कर रहे हो इंटरनेट पे, आपकी समझ में हो, और आप जिसे भेज रहे हो या जिसे भी कुछ कर रहे हो, वो वहां पे एक उसका क्लियर मेंशन हो कि why I am sending these things. Next one is keep your message conscious. What is the meaning of word is conscious? Safe. Means you have said that this thing is very conscious, not to be disclosed that thing. Like your question papers. Some information are very informative. No need to disclose that to the others. If you will disclose that, you will see that the result is totally different. Next thing is be respectful and avoid the scams. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you. On a WhatsApp, some people are just forwarding their message. Okay, that is related to the religion, or that can be related to the news that are very popular. Okay, so don't be go for that types of work, because they will they will provide they can be caught by the cybercrime, and then you will be face some the कोर्ट कचहरी के चक्कर में पड़ जाओगे. So don't be go for that. Don't be forward that message that you will think that is not legal. लगता है कि इस मैसेज से कुछ प्रॉब्लम होने वाली है, मीन्स in your country, in your city, some misissues are there, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हैं. Okay, but you will see you have forward a message. आपने एक मैसेज किसी को फॉरवर्ड किया, एंड दैट पर्सन फॉरवर्ड दैट मैसेज टू द 1000 people, and in that 1000 people only 5 people that if they will share, only 5% people that share that. So how many people get that message? So this is the viral news, this is the viral message, and then the cybercrime will check that person whosoever sent that message first, and the chain system also, जो भी उस chain system में है, जिसने वो भेजा था, जिसने forward किया है, everyone will caught by cybercrime. So this is the next thing. Don't be go for these types of messages. Don't be go for that. Next thing, they respect the other privacy. Privacy means you will get that privately. Some things are this is the private things. Means if someone have their account in bank, if you know the username and the password, so don't be use that. If that person will hire a case on you, they will fill a case against you, because you have just stole that privacy. आपने उसका यूजरनेम एंड पासवर्ड चुरा लिया है, जिससे आपने उसके अकाउंट से पेमेंट भी निकाल लिया है. So this is not a legal thing. Next one is obey the copyright law. Laws means let me tell you one more thing. You have downloaded a paid software. कुछ पैसों का सॉफ्टवेयर मिलते हैं गूगल पे, आपको प्ले स्टोर पे मिल जाएंगे, and that is for Windows also. You have got this. You will see that the PUBG game right now, not right now. It is not a popular, but before 6 or 7 months before, they are a very popular game. In that, they have some limited things that can be used by the user. If you will pay for that, then you can use that. Or maybe you can abrogate something. I don't know about that. I'm just telling related to the information. I have not played that nonsense games. So in that games, some things are not copyrightable. Means आप उसको किसी और को यूज करने नहीं दे सकते हो. If you are doing that, that means you are breaking the copyright laws. अब उस copyright laws में आप प्रॉब्लम कर रहे हो, you are the illegal person. You are just doing the cybercrime. और आप उसमें भी you will got the punishment, and you will get the jail also. So do not include that in spamming. Spam तो सभी को पता है. Spam means email use करते हो? Yes sir. How many of you have a email? Email account. थोड़ा हाथ ऊपर उठा लो. So that spam means on your mail ID, okay, you have received lots of emails that are related to the advertisement. किसी चीज की पब्लिशिंग हो रही है, तो these are not legal. वो भी लीगल नहीं है. Without your permission, nobody send you a single message. कोई भी आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट का मैसेज नहीं भेज सकता without your permission on internet. Because if you have hit that email ID, one more thing, in the between of that chapter I want to tell you, your email IDs, your mobile number is selling by these companies. आपके email ID को और आपके नंबर को बेच देते हैं with other companies को. Have you ever think about that कि आपको Truecaller free में इतनी सारी information क्यों देता है? This is a free software. Have you think that Gmail आपको free में Google search engine क्यों use करने देता है? Why is it providing you the Gmail free? कभी सोचा है? They are doing the advertisement. They are receiving the money from the advertisement. But Google पे तो कोई advertisement नहीं आता जब आप Google का पेज ओपन करते हो. But he is providing you, it is providing you the information which you are just searching. They are stealing, they are selling your email IDs, your cache memories. Have you understand about the cache memories? Understand? Yes or no? Cache memories, all the information which is related to your PC, which is related to you. Whatever you are doing on your PC, whatever you are searching, whatever you are currently using, what is your hobbies, everything which you have searched on the internet, they will just consider that thing, that person will like that things. They will just store that thing and they will transfer to that companies which they are paid them. So this is also the illegal, but nobody goes for that because they don't think, okay, RI mail आने दो, हम कौन सा उसको देख रहे हैं? Okay. Next one is the use appropriate language. Whenever you are sending a message, you will not use the abusing. You have not permitted for that. मैसेज में गालियां लिख के भेज देते ना लोग. Is it right or not? I'm not saying you. I'm saying a common thing. बहुत गलत चीजें लिख के भेज देते हैं किसी को. क्या बोल सकते हैं? सेक्सुअल हरेसमेंट में. What something they are doing on the internet? They are sending the illegal messages. वो किसी को परेशान करने के लिए मैसेज भेजे जाते हैं. वो गंदी लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं. That are not be acceptable by any person. If they will file a case against you, you will have to be fined for it. Okay, so don't be use the abuse language on whenever you are sending a message or whenever you are doing the chatting, because they can file a case against you. Next one is use appropriate emotions, icons. को देखे ना, you have seen that emojis.
Yes, sir.
These are also be illegal. Don't be sending the illegal emojis also. You will see that, okay, I'm not sending any message, I'm not typing anything, I'm just sending a emoji. So someone of you or other person will just think that it is not good for me. Okay? Do not reveal the sensitive information online. Means, if the information are not useful for you or that information are very sensitive, means this is related to the security of India or with the country, the security of that country, or that have a very confidential things that you don't have to go for that. Suppose if you have the security information related to the any country, that means that is very useful. It should not be disclosed by the anyone. If you will do that before